Hi adventurers! I know you're all disappointed because you didn't get to go to Fun Day today, so I thought you could have some fun seeing how we made the craft for this year. To start with, we had to pick something that matched our theme. Do you remember what the theme is for this year? Paint the world with love. So, maybe we could do something with the world. Let's start on the computer. If we're going to use the world, why don't we start with a globe? So we'll put a globe on there. Now that we've got a globe, we're going to need to be able to take two of these globes and put them together. So we're going to need to put some holes in so that we can attach them. Now that we've got our holes, we're going to need one final hole so that we can hang the globe up when we're done. Now we have all of our pieces, and we're going to use our program to make all the little instructions that tell our machine what to do. There's a lot of instructions in here. Now we're going to load those instructions in our software and send that over to the machine so that it can cut. Well, we've got everything ready, so now we should be able to start the machine. But before we do that, we need to put on our safety glasses and our ear protection because our machine is kind of loud. Now we're ready. All done cutting. Time to sand it and clean it up. Looks pretty good. Let's put it together. There it is, painting your world with love. And you know what? You can't paint the world with true love without the Word of God in your heart. I know things are different right now, but wherever you are, you can still paint the world with God's love.